Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, and let's start. So what you're going to be doing over here is simply going to go ahead and open up your particular Snapchat app, and then you're going to go to this little chat section, and when you go to the section of this add friends, you will be able to simply sync with your contacts as well, which way you will be able to access their location later on and check it out who is near you. Right, and if you want to see the friends nearby you, then you simply have to go to the location section. Now you can see when you do that, you will find the people who are near you. For example, this person who are near you, you can check out them. You can simply go ahead and make the distance according to you, like which one is the nearest. You can simply figure it out by the map itself. Once you have found the person, you can simply tap on them and go ahead and add friend. You can add them as a friend, as whatever you would prefer. You can chat them, add them as your friends, send some snaps and stuff like that, and do more further for any other people as well whom you can find nearby you. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.